Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to power off your Samsung S25 using power button. Let's begin! By default, if we press and hold our power button, it will basically transform us into the Gemini. It's a default shortcut, sadly. In order to change this shortcut, all you have to do is go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll all the way down, a little bit up, and go to Advanced Features. In Advanced Features, we want to head into Side button, and here we have long press. We want to go in long press and switch it to power off menu. Now we can leave this, we can press and hold our phone, and now we can power off our phone using the power button. Alternatively, if you like using the Google Assistant or any kind of AI assistant, you can simply ignore this and just press and hold and keep holding for about 10 seconds. And after this time passes, your phone will be turned off anyway. Which should happen. Accidentally I clicked, so it didn't work this time. But it is possible, though you might want to connect to a PC first, as it's a method that's used for performing a hard reset. But yeah, anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.